Come test drive the 2023 Infiniti QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, sunroof, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.